there's a lot of talk in self-development circles, self-improvement, about working on your weaknesses. And yeah, I
Mm,
mean, obviously it's an important thing to do. You want to get better at the things that you're not particularly good at. But if you're working on your weaknesses at the expense of leveraging your strengths, you're leaving an awful lot on the table. So by asking for help or connecting with people who are good at the things that you're not good at, and using those people to offset those weaknesses, you're also helping that person to use their strengths at the same time, which means that everyone is benefiting from this kind of interaction. And if you're putting things together and you're constructing things in a way that all parties involved in a given interaction or a given transaction are benefiting, then why not do it? Why not use people in that way? Because ultimately it's going to get you far closer to where you want to be, to where you feel like you need to be. And it's going to help the other person do the same thing as well.